Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can measure line and area in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat application. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Adobe Acrobat application, and then for example, I'm going to measure line and this area. If we want to measure line and area in a PDF file, we need to activate the measure tool. You can go to the all tools and then select view more, and you have to select the measure objects. Okay, and go to the measuring tool. Okay, then here we can use the measuring tool to measure line or area. We can use this line to measure line, and I'm going to practice it to you. Okay, and we can also change the unit if we want. As you can see, I'm using inch and I'm going to change it to millimeters. If we want to change the unit, we can go to the menu and go to the preferences. Okay, and select the page units, and I'm going to change it to millimeters. Click on OK, and I'm going to measure it one more time. Okay, and if you want to measure the area, you can use this one. I'm going to measure this area, for example, just like this. Oops, sorry. Okay, like this. Okay, and this is the result of the measurement. You can check on this section. Alright guys, and that's all the way to measure line and area in a PDF file. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.